All right, we made it to the Capital Limited, mostly unscathed. That was like a photo finish here. So here I am in roomette number 9, which is at the back of the train. The dining car is right behind me here, which is pretty awesome because it's acts as the bar and the cafe and the snacks and the food. So this is a Superliner. It looks like it looks like I don't know, I think it's an older model. It's got like the rodeo dial thing here. It's got the slightly different buttons on it. It does actually have the amusing, maybe this light too bright here. It has the, I can't see anything now. It has the amusing, well, we can't really see it, can we? Yeah, so this evidently, it says it's for razors only. But it does actually have this, the power outlet is actually kind of pushed out, which is kind of nice. It's different. This one doesn't have the closet. But it does have essentially the safety strap. So some towels up here, which are kind of nice, and then the coat hook, which is super useful, and that's it.